In the ancient city of Capernaum, a centurion faced a dire situation. His beloved servant lay paralyzed and suffering. Despite his position of authority, the centurion humbly sought help from Jesus, knowing of his miraculous deeds. Moved by the centurion's faith, Jesus offered to come and heal the servant. Yet the centurion, recognizing Jesus' power, requested healing from a distance, believing in the authority of Jesus' words. Witnessing such profound faith, Jesus exclaimed, "Truly I tell you, I have not found anyone in Israel with such great faith." In that moment, the servant was healed, showcasing the transformative power of unwavering belief in Jesus. The centurion's story teaches us that no situation is too dire, no heart too distant for Jesus' mercy and grace. It serves as a reminder that when we place our faith in Him, our lives are imbued with purpose, hope, and the promise of redemption. Let us all, like the centurion, approach Jesus with unwavering faith, knowing that in His presence, our faith can lead to restoration and grace.